When you first step into the stock market, it can feel like another language. Charts, candles, delta, puts, calls, it looks like chaos if nobody breaks it down for you. That's exactly where MBU steps in. Moneybag University was built to take beginners who know little to nothing about trading and give them a clear, disciplined path forward. We don't drown you in complicated formulas or theory. Instead, we focus on real plays, real examples, and real receipts that show you step by step how to build consistency. Because consistency is the bridge between confusion and financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't just about money sitting in your account, it's about options in life. Freedom to spend time with your family. Freedom to give generously. Freedom to walk into church and tithe with confidence, not out of pressure, but out of overflow. Too many people are working paycheck to paycheck, so when the plate passes or when a need arises, they hesitate because they don't feel secure themselves. But when your money is working for you, when dividends are hitting every week, when option profits are stacking, when long-term investments are compounding, you shift from survival mode to abundance mode. That's the level MBU trains you for. We don't teach gambling. We don't hype, we build a system. Our 5-step MBU Blueprint, focus, discipline, time, strategy, peace, keeps you grounded so you can trade with clarity, not emotion. We show you how to enter trades with a plan, how to scale out at 25%, 45%, 70%, so you're always locking profits instead of waiting on hope. And we show you how to structure your family bank with dividend stocks that pay you month after month, creating cash flow that doesn't stop when you clock out from your 9 to 5. We show you how to reinvest strategically, how to borrow against your portfolio instead of selling, and how to build a tax-efficient system that keeps compounding long after you're gone. And here's the truth, this isn't just about you. It's about impact. When you master your finances, your giving multiplies. Suddenly, you can sow into ministries, support missions, help family members, or bless a stranger in need without second-guessing. The Bible says in Luke 6:38, "Give and it will be given to you." But you can't give freely if you're bound financially. That's why MBU is more than a trading group, it's a movement. We help you manage money with wisdom so that generosity flows naturally. Beginners who join MBU don't just learn how to trade, they learn how to see money differently. They stop chasing get-rich-quick schemes and start building a system rooted in patience and discipline. Over time, they start stacking small wins into larger wins. They see the power of dividends reinvested. They see how option profits can fund long-term positions. They see how discipline in the market spills over into discipline in life, marriage, health, faith, and business. Imagine being in a place where your portfolio is paying you every week, where your job income becomes extra, where your margin account lets you borrow for opportunities without fear, and where your tithe becomes bigger every year because God keeps enlarging your territory. That's the vision we walk in at MBU. So if you're a beginner and you feel overwhelmed, this is your invitation. Don't try to figure it all out alone. Step into a community of traders and believers who want to see you win, not just in the market, but in life. Because when you're free financially, you're also free to give more, to love more, and to live with peace. That's what MBU is about. Teaching, coaching, and walking with you until financial freedom is no longer a dream, it's your reality. And from that place of overflow, you'll be able to bless your family, your church, and your community in ways you never imagined.